How to make a brain sharper, smarter, and lightning fast. Try cuddling, kissing frequently, and be intimate often. It'll help stabilize emotional intelligence and stimulate blood flow to the brain. Switch hands for daily tasks like brushing your teeth or writing to challenge and stimulate your brain. Make it a habit to read new things every day and explore learning apps like Reddit and Pinterest. Learning a new program language can increase gray matter in your brain, resulting in a sharper mind. Setting goals for your body, like getting in shape, can lead to a healthier mind. Watch or listen to top TED Talks to gain new perspectives and stimulate your mind. Challenge your brain by solving puzzles like the Rubik's Cube or playing strategic games like chess. Limit time with people who discredit new things and avoid rigid schedules that hinder new experiences. Incorporate green vegetables, dry fruits, eggs, and omega-3 rich foods into your diet and ensure you stay hydrated and get enough sleep.